This episode, we attempt to ride our e-bikes through Arches National Park, end to end and back in one day, on one battery charge.
I've already used 2 bars of my battery.
Will we make it?
Just when you think it can't go up anymore, it does.
Here we are at Arches National Park, and it's the day for our big bike ride. I set a goal to ride the length of the park and back all in one day on one battery, and today's the day. So pretty exciting. We're here at the visitor center. We have a big hill to go up right at first, and that's kind of the part I'm nervous about, but I think once we get past that, we'll be good. We're biking all the way to the other end of the park, which is about 17.5 miles to Devil's Garden, going around that loop and then coming back.
What do you think? Are we ready?
Late last year, I decided to do this goal while we were in Moab, and I planned to put in plenty of training in order to be ready.
Yep.
But then, at the beginning of 2023, I had one setback after another, between COVID, influenza, and several injuries. So I didn't get much practice time.
Doing good?
We did manage to do a couple 35-mile bike rides and decided to just give it a try and do what we could. What we couldn't prepare for was the fact that we would be starting at nearly 4,000 feet higher altitude than we're used to, and that we would experience 3,200 feet of elevation gain on this route.
All right, we made it to the top. Back up again. I think now we made it to the top. I just need to stop and take a breather. Whew. We made it. Up to the top at least. Not too bad. I just put it in the lowest gear possible in level 1 and just chug away. 52.4. So that's not too bad.
Not bad at all.
Whew. Now we can enjoy some flat ground for a little bit. It is so pretty here.
We discovered that this is an amazing way to tour a national park. The Red Rock Formation seems so much larger and more spectacular from this viewpoint, and the fresh air and sunshine were so refreshing.
Wow.
Up and up and up. What's your percentage of battery? 51.5.
51.7.
That's good. That's about right.
And we've been 5.6 miles, so we're about 1/6 of the way or so. It's kind of hard to get going again once you stop. You okay? What? We're good? Okay. I feel like this park is all uphill.
Pretty much is.
I guess that means on the way back it'll be all downhill, huh?
Yeah.
We did have quite a bit of downhill after that initial climb, but definitely it's been more up than down. Oh, cool. There's a cool view of windows from here. If I can get it. More uphill? Really? Oh my goodness gracious. All right, now maybe we'll get some downhill. Hopefully we don't go around this curve and there's another mile of uphill. Oh my gosh, there's more uphill. Are you serious? Whew, this has been a hard 8 miles. I've already used 2 bars of my battery.
Just let it rest. Get up for a minute.
Because it's been up for like 7 miles. Whew. Look at the windows over there.
Uh-huh.
Show off.
Well, he's going downhill now. I think the hard part's almost over. Other than that, you feeling good?
Yeah, I'm a little tired already, but it was like uphill this whole way. Okay, we are a little over 1/4 of the way. This doesn't look like that much of a hill when you're in a car.
No, it looks like you're pretty much on a flat thing.
Yeah, but it's like a pretty good hill this whole way.
8 miles, over 8 miles going up. Right?
Yeah, we had one downhill part for like half a mile, and the rest has been up.
All right, ready?
1/4 of the way into our ride, we were beginning to have serious concerns about our batteries lasting for the entire trip. We were trying to conserve them, but the altitude and uphill climbing were really draining us physically.
All right, surely we're gonna get to go downhill here pretty quick.
Elevation 1,524. Beautiful scenery up here. All right, we're gonna conserve some battery on the bike. We're gonna let the gravity do its work.
The best part about all that climbing,
some downhill finally.
25.
the exhilarating downhill parts.
27. 28. 29. 30.
10 miles. Oh yay, I like that sign. Wow, that is cool. Very, very cool. What do you say was the lowest our batteries could go?
Some say 44. Some say 40.
I better have a bunch of downhill. I'm in trouble.
I think we got it.
I'm below half.
Are you?
I was seriously beginning to think I wasn't going to reach my goal.
Good. Rest for a little bit.
This park is all uphill, except for like 2 miles there that we had a really cool downhill.
How fast you get?
35.
We got about 34, 35.
All right, let's do this.
We had about what, 4 miles or something like that left.
I think about 3.5, and then we'll be at the halfway point. Excited to see how many calories I'm burning. This looks like it's going downhill to me, but it don't feel like downhill. I don't think I'm going to be doing any hiking tomorrow.
We should be about to the top here to this daggone thing.
I hope so, because I'm less than half on my battery. And it's just up, 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 up. Just when you think it can't go up anymore, it does. Then at last, we're here, yay! Let's stop here and have a break.
It's like that.
It is, and it isn't. Whew.
Still work.
Still work, yeah.
One of our favorite things about our e-bikes is how they attract attention, and we get to meet lots of people.
Yeah, we do. We'll hand you a card whenever she gets here. We'll give you guys a card.
Travel channel?
It is, actually. We do hiking, biking.
Oh, we love you guys because that's what I watch to figure out what trails I want to do.
There you go.
Oh, it is helpful.
There you go there.
Thank you.
Flip it over and you'll have a scanner for your cell phone.
Oh, cool. Oh, thanks.
Uh-huh.
Thanks.
After a short rest, we were back on the road. And fortunately, the second half was definitely easier than the first half.
How fast did you get?
39.6.
Really?
I thought I was going to get to 40 and it just didn't quite make it. How fast did you get?
About 36.
Because there was so much downhill coming back, our batteries made it all the way. And the best part of the entire trip was coasting into the finish.
8 in the battery power, huh?
Yep.
What you got left?
Let's see. 44.7.
I got 45.5.
Made it back. 35 miles from the visitor center to Devil's Garden and back on one battery.
The normal amp battery.
We did it. Yes.
Yay, us.
My knees are killing me and I probably won't be walking tomorrow. I'm very tired and very hungry, but I'm very proud of myself. We're awesome.